To make phone calls via standard dialing, we're going to start on the new menu, go up to the phone icon, and click right below that where it says Make Calls. From here, you're going to select the projects that you are calling from. I already have my project all set up. If you need more information on that, please see our phone bank admin video. On the right, select the telephone option, and then select Proceed with Standard Dialing. On the right, you will see the script that the caller will be reading with the questions and possible answers. Once you have familiarized yourself with the script, select Proceed to First Call. The voter's telephone number will be located in the top left corner, and the caller will manually enter in the number on the telephone that they are making the calls from. If the call is successful, click on the survey icon next to the name of the individual who you are speaking to. This will show a list of the survey questions, and you can record the responses. In the top left, select one of the options to record the outcome of the call. Select the blue Next button to proceed to the next call. Repeat the same process, or when you're done, go to the top right corner and select Stop Calling.